Welcome back to the channel. This is Valone's RC Hobby. And guys, what do I got in store for you today? Yeah, we're going vintage again. And yeah, we're going back to the Tamiya Blitzer Beetle. Guys, I was fortunate enough a few months ago to find this vintage Blitzer Beetle and on eBay in absolute, almost mint condition as a shelf queen. Beautiful little bug, and of course, you know, I own a business called Classic VW Bugs where I restore the vintage Volkswagen Beetle for people. And of course, when I come across something like this along my RC hobby realm, I gotta pick it up. So very, very cool. But I did have the luxury recently on eBay to come across this little bad boy. Now this is the limited edition chrome version of the Blitzer Beetle from 1999. I know there's some Tamiya experts out there. You probably know a hell of a lot more than I do when it comes to these cars and the value of these cars. But I am in a little pickle at the moment, if you want to call it that. This is an unassembled kit that I found on eBay, and I did score, I think, a pretty good price on it. I bought it for under $300. And then with shipping, it was a little over $300. But it is an unassembled kit. Everything is here intact in the box. And my question is it to build or not to build? So do you build it to make it look pretty like this? Or do I leave it in the box and let it appreciate a little bit a few years down the line and see what this thing can go for? You know, I do see some eBay ads that are on today that are around $500-600 for the unassembled kit in the box like this. And I don't know if they're getting those prices, but it is interesting to see online. So I think I did get this for a decent price, and I think it does have some appreciation value to it, which is pretty remarkable to find it like this. And it was in an auction format, not a buy it now format, so maybe that's part of the reason why I got a pretty decent deal on it. So yeah, that's my question to you guys, the Tamiya experts out there. I want to know, should I build this or not build it? And then after I do say build it, do I run it? Do I get it electrically functioning and do I get it going? But, you know, then the risk of damaging it and ruining it, you know, the plastics, you know, you're talking over 20 years old now, these plastics in the box. I don't know, you know, where this has been sitting. It does look like it's been in a pretty good controlled environment. So in the collector realm of RC, this is something different than what we're used to, you know, on a daily RC basis with some of the new cars that come out. We're ready to go out and bash and have a good time. But now when we're getting to some of the vintage stuff and we're going back to, you know, youth and nostalgic and remembering when we were kids, do we keep it like this? It's interesting, you know, because there's a lot of stuff out there, whether it's in the model plane world, model trains, toys, and if they're still in the packaging, they're left in the packaging. So interesting to know your thoughts, guys. So leave it in the comments section below. I'd like to know, you know, what you think I should do. Should I build this? Because if I do a build on this, I will record it, and I would like to show a nice montage of showing the build of this Chrome Edition Blitzer Beetle. I would like to know the exact numbers. If there's anybody out there that knows the exact production numbers of this and how long they did produce these cars, I would like to know. Please, again, comment section below, and please be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell, and I'll be bringing you RC content like this each and every week. And guys, I got some good stuff coming out in the coming weeks, so please be sure to subscribe. But yeah, guys, the Tamiya world, it's in my heart and it's in my youth, and yeah, I keep coming across some good stuff on eBay. eBay still seems to be a decent platform to find some vintage stuff, but I gotta tell you, Facebook Marketplace is also doing pretty damn well now. I mean, Craigslist has kind of dropped in the, I guess, the viewers or the postings on there, and most, if not a lot of people, are going towards Facebook Marketplace now to list things and buy things. So very interesting times indeed. So all right, guys, that's enough of me blabbering. Let me know to build or not to build. I'll see you later.